The bullying was so profound, it got to the point where at that stage in my life I had considered suicide.
He was punched so many times that he had a bruise that lasted for 2.5 months.
I had no friends. I did not know where to turn.
All I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can.
I was never physically hurt, but the bullying was a constant wear.
The girls in middle school and high school, especially in the locker rooms, would tease me just kind of relentlessly to the point where I would run to the bathroom and cry.
And joy be with you all.
I used to fake sick so I didn't have to go to school.
All the comrades that e'er I've had are sorry for my going away.
In the halls, I was spat on. I could count on being harassed in the restroom if I didn't go with someone I knew and who I could talk to while waiting in line.
The sad part of this story is that he dropped out of high school. And as many of you know, being in a small town, there's not many alternatives.
But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise and you should not.
I came home crying every night. I came home lonely, unaware that there is more to the future than what I was experiencing at that point.
Light and joy be with you all.
When I came out and asked my friends to support me because it was a really hard time, all but one of them turned their backs on me, and it was really hard.
I witnessed all sorts of bullying and abuse, but I've also seen how things can change.
The one great miracle in my life was one person reaching out to me, one person giving me a hand to hold, one person showing me that there is somebody who cares.
Remember all the things we wanted, all the memories they're haunted. We were always meant to say goodbye.
As much as I would like to forget what I went through in high school, to do so simply continues the silence.
What my personal goal is and what I've been trying to work on is speaking up against bullying when I see it.
I know now that I have more than just one supporter, and that as time goes on, we will conquer this struggle and we will persevere.
It can be as simple as showing kindness to someone in need. Standing up for what is right is always intimidating and sometimes terrifying, but it is always fulfilling.
I want you to know that it doesn't matter.
And there is hope for the millions of gay people out there who are out, who are not out. Everywhere that you are, you should know that it gets better.
I think we start here, we start now, and together, looking at the amazing purple light that is around us, together I believe that we can do it.
And everyone deserves decency and respect.
It doesn't always make you want to cry.
One day my love asked me to go into a room with him. The door closed, he slammed me into a brick wall. He clenched his fist and held it inches from my face. I loved him and there was murder in his eyes. I loved him and he said he was going to kill me.
You know that I love you so. I love you enough to let you go.
I survived. I rebuilt my self-esteem. Scars have formed over the old wounds. Other fiends like my long-lost love have beaten and raped and tortured and killed my brothers and sisters. And the people of America don't give a rip. Everyone plays see no evil, hear no evil while queer people die.
But I want you to move on. So
no one wants to admit the Bush's kinder, gentler nation is a school of piranha. Where does it end? I guess I have a dream too.